Hey everyone and welcome back. As you can see from the title of this video, this is the end um, of my Introduction to Python 3 course. So I hope you liked it as much as I did because filming this was not easy at all, especially because of time constraints. But hopefully you guys liked it and I did what I could. So yeah, I will be starting a new matplotlib courses soon, which will be every Saturday GMT time, plus around, wait, it's around 7:45 GMT. So that will be the time when I will be making more videos for Python, and I will be starting more videos with Minecraft as well. But before we actually end this video, let's just revisit what we did in our videos, and each of these will be like around a few seconds, like around 20 to 30 seconds to like around a minute. So let's just revisit. We looked at looking at errors on the print function. So the print function basically does what you tell it to. Print hello, print 1 plus 1. There. Next we learned about errors. There are basically three errors: name error, syntax error, and indentation error. Name error is when something is not defined. Say print 1 plus 1. Name error. And then say, let's look at syntax error now. Print hi, but let's change the syntax. Yeah. And now finally indentation error, which you may face while using, say, conditional programming, because there is a lot of indentation and you may get it wrong sometimes. So say if, wait, let's just assign a variable called x is equal to 50, and then now if x is greater than 50, print you are old, and then let's change this. Indentation error, because we messed up this part on purpose because they're not on the same level. Now, next topic. We looked at looking at errors on the print function. So the print function basically does what you tell it to. Print hello, print 1 plus 1. There. Next we learned about errors. There are basically three errors: name error, syntax error, and indentation error. Name error is when something is not defined. Say print 1 plus 1. Name error. And then say, let's look at syntax error now. Print hi, but let's change the syntax. Yeah. And now finally indentation error, which you may face while using, say, conditional programming, because there is a lot of indentation and you may get it wrong sometimes. So say if, wait, let's just assign a variable called x is equal to 50, and then now if x is greater than 50, print you are old, and then let's change this. Indentation error, because we messed up this part on purpose because they're not on the same level. Now, next topic. Now, if and else statements, basically conditional programming. So conditional programming is pretty easy. Uh, Say you assign a variable called Amritesh, 'cause why not? Amritesh is equal to, say, the variable 14 because I am 14. Don't consider this as an age reveal, by the way, because I am not actually 14 in real life. So, yeah. Okay, anyways, if Amritesh is greater than 18, print you are not a teen. If else, print you are a teen or younger. We should get you are a teen or younger. There you go. Now, if and else statements. Now, inbuilt functions. Inbuilt functions are is a very broad topic. There are a lot of inbuilt functions, but we are going to only be looking at a few of them. So ABS, say -1. There you go, 1. Say user input. Wait, Amritesh age, or wait, user age. Say user input, user input, wait, user input Python. Wait, I think I have done. Okay, yeah, input, not user input. I made a mistake about this earlier too. So, what is your age? And then print user. Wow, my typing. You are user age years old, and that will basically just print out how old the user is after getting to. Say I am 17. I am not. You are 17 years old. There you go. Oh yeah, I forgot about lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Um, so all of them are the three data structures in Python, and they are very effective. Firstly, we'll be looking at lists. Okay, so say for example, you have a list say named A. Now, as you probably may remember, that lists always use square brackets. So that is something you should always remember, or else it's not a list. So namely 1 2 3 4 are the components in A, so those are that's basically a list. You can use dot pop, dot append, and stuff like that. A dot pop, a dot append, like so, basically gives the last one, and then print A 1 2 3 4 is gone. So A dot pop, A dot append, stuff like that. Now moving on to tuples. Tuples are very simple. Tuples are basically excuse me, immutable. Firstly, they're immutable, so once you assign a value to it, you cannot change it, so it's fixed. Next, tuples always have parentheses in them. Curly brackets are for dictionaries. So again, now say b is equal to 1 2 3 and 4. Now, basically, you're stuck with a tuple. You can't do much. You can't actually modify it, but you can do a lot of stuff with it, which you can look at my previous video for more info, but this is just a revision. And lastly, we'll be making a dictionary. I say you name the dictionary items. So items is equal to dict. So that's a function, that's an inbuilt function, as you may remember from episode 6, which was inbuilt functions. And then we can basically just say items, square bracket, say the name, eggs is equal to, say the value 25. Let's just do this with two items. because doing more will not lead us to anything different. And now let's just print items. Control, wait, no, not control 2. Control, oh no, 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 no. Oh no. I accidentally may or may not have reloaded the page. Ah, great. Are you actually kidding me? Oh, wow. That's just great. Please tell me, uh, is there? I doubt it. Oh God, I meant to uh use Control plus Enter. Oh, seriously? Let's just cut all of this and I'll just look at the dictionaries thing again. So items is equal to dipped, as we know, and then as we know, item square bracket, say the name, eggs, assign a value to it, say 25. Let's just copy that again. 30. Instead of writing eggs, let's make it bread, because why not? And then let's just print items, and then hopefully let's not mess it up, and there you go. So you use curly brackets, and you can see that with the end of this. So that's basically how list, tuples, and dictionaries work. Hope you understood. If you may or may not have forgotten about some of these things, it's fine. Just take a look back at what we did, and hopefully you can remember. Thank you for watching. See you in the matplotlib course, and have a nice day.